Hey guys, what's up? Venice0295 here, coming on my shampoo day to kind of tell you guys what I'm going to do today, which is going to be a little bit different than my regular wash day routine. All right, so I had just went through and prepared my hair as best as I could. Getting out the shedded hairs and any major knots that I could find as I'm separating. Typically, I would do a pre-poo, okay? But I am going to skip my pre-poo today because I'm going to try the Curl Junkie Repair Me, okay? And it says to apply on wet hair. I am going to just apply water to my hair. So I'm just going to rinse it as best as I could. It's been 2 weeks, so I know I have product buildup on this bad boy. But I am going to just apply as much water as I can and then apply the Curl Junkie Repair Me and take it from there. Okay, so my hair is soaking wet, and as you can see, some areas did not stay. All right, so I am going to apply the Curl Junkie now, but I'm just going to apply it as if I'm applying regular conditioner to my hair. It's a hair treatment, protein treatment. Smells good. Kind of smoothing it through without, raking, because some people here can rake, but I don't believe I have that type of hair that you can just rake all willy-nilly. Okay, so I'm on the last one, and even applying products take long, y'all. Ugh. I just wish I could just wash my hair, condition, detangle, and do everything in 20 minutes. Wouldn't that be nice? Like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna jump in the shower, do my hair, and 20 minutes I'm done. Diffuse and go along my way. But seriously, applying products is 20 minutes. Oh Lord. Okay, so as I'm doing that too, I'm trying to take out any of the shedded hair that I might have missed. And by cap, I mean Walmart bag. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a little bit more. And this is how much I probably put in each section. Yeah, I know it's a lot, but my hair is thick. And you know what? This Repair Me feel like it could be a detangler. Like my hair just melted when I put it on. It's just so contrary to what I think, what I think protein treatments should be, you know, in terms of, I'm just expecting it to be hard, you know. But yeah, not bad. So I'm gonna put the cap on and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after maybe 20 minutes to an hour.